Hey guys, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and in this video I wanted to talk to you about keywords. So the right keywords to pick for your article, and you have to pick the keywords with the right intent. So the intent means what kind of information people expect to see and Google is likely to show in the search results. If you want to rank for the article, you have to pick informational keywords, so the keywords that attract other articles and guides in Google. So before you optimize your article for a certain keyword, make sure to search for it in Google and see what kind of content comes up on page one. If it's articles, if it's guides, it means that it's informational keyword and you can easily use it for your article to rank in this particular search. On the other hand, if you see that the websites on page one are mainly online shops, are mainly websites that sell items, it means that it's a transactional keyword and Google will be more likely to show content from online stores, so it will be much more difficult for you to rank for this keyword with your article. So this is the main difference between the different keyword intents, and it's important to pick the keyword with informational intent in order to rank your article on page one. I hope you found it useful, and if you did, please click like. Underneath this video, please subscribe for more SEO tips. And I'll see you soon. It was Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. Bye bye.